Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The problem is given. Solve x base 2 y base 4 log z base 4 is equal to 2 log y base 3 log z base 9 plus log x base 9 equal to 2 log z base 4 plus log x base 16 plus log y base 16 equal to 2. So this problem is given in INMO 1986. This problem is very important. One logic is there in this problem. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem? So if you are not having any ideas, you can solve the problem with me. So here, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel those, so that you can get the latest updates. So logical and critical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded. This is given in INMO 1986. What is given? Log x base 2 plus log y base 4 plus log z base 4 is equal to 2. Here one simple logic is there that you have to apply here. So here you have to change of base. Here the base is 4, here also the base is 4. So here you have to make the change of base as 4. So log x base 4 into log 4 base 2. So this value log 4 base 2 will get 2 plus log y base 4 plus log z base 4 is equal to 2. So here this value is 2. You will get 2 into log x base 4 plus log y base 4 plus log z base 4 is equal to 2. So if you make this, this will get as x square power formula. So here you will get log x square plus base 4 log y base 4 log z base 4 is equal to 2. So you can write it as log x square yz base 4 is equal to 2. Log mn formula. So you can write it as x square yz is equal to 2 power 4. X square yz is equal to 16 you will get. So this is first one. So in the same way you can do the second one also. Second one what will get here? Just I will write the step. Log y base 3 plus log z base 9 plus log x base 9 is equal to 2. So here you have to change the base. Log y base 9 into log 9 base 3 plus log z base 9 plus log x base 9 equal to 2. So from this I am not writing all the steps. From this you will get y square zx is equal to 9 square, that is 81. Let it be 2. Y square zx is equal to 9 square you will get. Similarly, the third one also you have to write like this. Log z power 4 z base 4 plus log x base 16 plus log y base 16 is equal to 2. So here also you have to change the base. Log z base 16 into log 16 base 4 plus log x base 16 plus log y base 16 is equal to 2. So here you will get z square. What will get here? Z square xy is equal to 16 square. z square xy is equal to 16 square, that is equal to 256. That is the third one now. So here these are the three values you got. First one is x square yz equal to 16. Second one is y square zx equal to 2. And the third one is z square xy equal to 3. Now here our target is to find xyz values. xyz values. So here from the first one now, yz is equal to, from the first one, x square yz equal to 16. Yz is equal to 16 by x square. You can write yz is equal to 4 by x whole square. Yz is equal to 4 by x whole square. From one we are writing this. From the second one now, from the second one, y square zx is equal to 9 square. So zx is equal to 81 now. 9 square means 81. 81 by y square. Zx equal to, you can write it as 9 by y whole square. 9 by y whole square. If you take third one now, z square xy is equal to 256. So xy is equal to 256 by z square. So xy is equal to, you can write it as 16 by z whole square. Now if you multiply all these three, so x square, y square, z square, multiply all these three. So if you multiply this one and this one, all the three, x square, y square, z square is equal to 4 by x whole square, 9 by y whole square, 16 by z whole square. So from this you can get xyz is equal to, removing square on both sides, xyz is equal to 4 by x into 9 by y into 16 by z. So you can write x square, y square, z square, cross multiply 4 into 9 into 16. So xyz is equal to 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. But still our target is x, y, z values. So from this first one now, x square yz is equal to 16. So you can write it as x into xyz is equal to 16. X into 24 equal to 16. From here xyz value. So here you are getting x value 16 by 24, that is 2 by 3. Now if you take y value what will get? Y square zx is equal to 81. So here y into 24 equal to 81. Y is equal to 81 by 24. The value is 27 by 8. Next, if you take the third one, z square xy is equal to 256. Z into 24 is equal to 256. Z is equal to 256 by 24. That is equal to 32 by 3. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching INMO Olympiad. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe the video, and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again.